I've had 4 full weeks of chiropractic treatments from Dr. K. I've also been doing exercises, and he's been adjusting my mid back and a couple times aligning my pelvis. He is not adjusting my neck because of the cervical stenosis. I've been doing decompression for 4 weeks now. And so what I can say that the biggest change that I'm seeing in the last 4 weeks is that I am not wearing a lidocaine patch anymore. I was wearing lidocaine patches 24/7 for 6 months straight. Another noticeable difference is the amount of medication I've been taking. The Advil has been cut down at least by 70%. So I did start noticing a big difference even in week 1 with the adjustments and the decompression. There was a great sense of relief in the pain. I'm able to do more now. I don't feel as nervous about doing things like driving, even doing some light house cleaning, which strangely enough, I love to do. I've been sleeping better. I haven't been waking up with as much shoulder pain, which Dr. K told me could be from the compressed nerve. So that has subsided greatly. I would say at least by 50%. One of the things that's helping me so much is being educated on what to do and what not to do in my daily life and with exercises. Forward head movement, I know, is what causes the most pain. So if I'm doing something where my head is looking down for an hour or two, if I'm cooking in the kitchen, if I'm reading, if I do that for a couple hours, I'm done for the day. I'm in pain. So what the greatest thing for me is the education of how to go about doing things day to day. Now I'm sitting down reading in a position that my neck is not bending forward. I'll put my book in a stand where I'm looking straight ahead at the book and not looking down, pinching my shoulders back. Anytime while I'm carrying a purse, carrying groceries, always to engage my core muscles and bring my shoulders back and pinch between my shoulder blades. That gives me a sense of a lot more stability when I'm walking. Of course, using the roller, the IntelliRoll, on a day-to-day basis is my go-to, because when I'm feeling that I'm in pain or I'm on that verge of pain, when I go and put my neck back into traction with the IntelliRoll, it brings me back into alignment. I feel like I have a lot more flexibility in my neck, less pain. That is the thing that's bringing me so much relief, is that the pain has subsided. The pain is more localized rather than neurological down my arm and down my leg. So that is a huge difference for me. The potential outlook for surgery now is, I'd say it's been reduced by 50%. Only time will tell, and Dr. K will let me know, how far I have come after he does a reassessment. I'm hoping and praying for the best that I don't have to do surgery. If I'm not in pain in another 6 weeks, I'm not going to do the surgery. But if that's needed, I am going to go into surgery a lot stronger person and more confident in my ability to recover afterwards.